Hey, Sweet Tooth Squad, it's Rhea, and today we're giving desserts a healthy twist. Because who says you can't have treats that are both delicious and nutritious? These recipes are naturally sweet, packed with wholesome ingredients, and perfect for satisfying your cravings without the guilt. Get your mixing bowls ready and explore 3 must-try healthy desserts. Let's begin with the all-time classic Flourless chocolate avocado brownies. These brownies are fudgy, rich, and loaded with healthy fats from avocado. Here's how to make it. Mash 1 ripe avocado until smooth, then mix in 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of almond butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Fold in dark chocolate chips for extra indulgence. Pour the batter into a lined baking dish and bake at 350°, 175°, for about 20 minutes. Next, we have a super refreshing treat, Greek yogurt berry parfaits. It's a high-protein, antioxidant-packed dessert that's just as pretty as it is tasty. Here's how you put it together. Layer 1 cup of Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Sprinkle in some granola or crushed nuts for crunch. Drizzle with honey or a touch of maple syrup for natural sweetness. Repeat the layers and top it off with a dash of cinnamon or dark chocolate. And now let's talk about cookies. Isn't it wholesome? Oatmeal banana cookies are an easy, no-fuss option when you want something sweet but wholesome. Here's how to make them. Mash 2 ripe bananas in a bowl. Stir in 1/2 cups of rolled oats and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add in your favorite mix-ins, dark chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried fruit. Form into small cookies and bake at 350°, to 175° for 12 to 15 minutes. That's it. No added sugar, no flour, just simple, clean ingredients. And that's for today. 4 healthy dessert ideas that are just as delicious as the classics, but way better for you. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Until next time, keep it sweet, keep it healthy, and enjoy every bite.